Okay guys, Adam just bought me this DJI OM4SE. In other words, this is gimbal, a smartphone stabilizer. Okay, thanks Dad. Let's open it. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and this is the instruction there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the instruction. Then OSMO. Oh, there you go. Look like a robot. Just like a robot. This is the body, this is the arms, and so this is the instruction. So many things to read. Wow, look at that. Do you think I can read all that? No. And let's see what this one. You put it in here. And this. Okay guys, let's this is like whoa, Adam, there's no color in it, it's so gray. The handle, and this is where you put the microwave here, but I want Adam to assemble it for me because so I'm not what do you call it, Adam? Let's magnetize it. Man, it's really wow. That one there? Yeah. Why this is mine. I can do what I want. Why this one is loose? Is it always like that? Right. Like this at the moment. It's not motorized like that. I can't see. If everything's gray, and then what will happen? Oh, it's the wrong way.
The joystick.
This one? No, there's no battery. I know it's battery in it. It's not. Oh, okay, because we just read the instruction. Oh, what is that? Is that to pull it out? And there's another one. I think that pulled it out there. A new toy for my blogging. That's it, guys. Sorry you can't see my face. I'm not ready for action. Blue, red, or black. And like I go to the beach, I would not find. And then you have to put my camera there. Here, you have to plug it. You have to charge it first. So we have to charge it before I can use it. This is my gimbal. Oh my gosh, look at my hand. This is my gimbal. My new toy. A smartphone stabilizer. It's a little bit heavy. It's not really that long. So when this thing sit up on my phone, my phone have to attach here in the magnet. I'm using my cell phone right now. I can't blog it what it looks like unless I have to use my GoPro or Adam's phone. So at the moment is charging. To set it up, you have to follow this instruction. So it's my cell phone, and this is number 3, number 4. Then you have to download the app, which Adams already did. Yeah, I got this one. Bag, and this is the string, so it won't fall out of your hand. You wrap that around your wrist. So this is my tripod that I've been using lately. Yeah, and you open that, and then you can set it up like that. Then you can right there like that. You just adjust it. This one is charging, but this one doesn't need charging. I prefer this one. Yeah. So this side here is to tighten. This side here you can put lights. You can put your lights, attach your lights here. Yeah, it's basic. I like basic things. Yeah. This one here, it's all buttons. You have to press here and press there and press there everywhere before it can function. Yeah, it's a robot. Robot. Okay guys, thank you for watching.